subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor launched its new budget-friendly phone under Play series in China called Honor Play 40C. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 40C features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center, that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter, with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a single 13-megapixel camera at the top left corner, with f1.8 aperture. Under the hood, the Honor Play 40C is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 5 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on Magic OS 7.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5200 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features a face unlock system for authentication, and it also comes with high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.32 by 75.1 by 8.35 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 40C has been priced in China at 899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in Magic Night Black, Ink Jade Green, and Sky Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 40C smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.